are now turning to concerns raised by a member of the public regarding the quality of materials being used for a federal road construction project on the Ore-Akure Road. The individual has called for immediate attention to what he described as substandard materials allegedly compromising the project's integrity and durability. In a video that has now gone viral, the individual claims that after the project began with the proper steel reinforcement, builders improperly switched to a lightweight wire guard, which he estimated to be less than 10 millimeters thick, for a stretch of over 1 kilometer in the middle of the roadway. Let's take a look.
Attention, look at the road they are doing Ore to Ondo. They are supposed to put steel, they are putting wire guard. We have called your attention to it. Look at it. Wire guard for almost more than 1 kilometer. See, they put steel in the beginning. At the middle of it, they use wire guard. This wire guard is less than 10 mm. Look at it on a federal road. Well, we have done our own social responsibility. Thank you.
Well, in response, the Minister of Works, David Umahi, clarified the design specifications, defending the use of different materials for various sections of the road project. Well, according to the minister, the main carriageway is constructed with rods and concrete, while the road shoulders uses concrete with BRC, which are rods of smaller sizes. The minister emphasized that this is an intentional design choice, not a compromise on quality. The minister explained that different roads require different designs with corresponding costs and assured the public that this particular design specification is engineered to last between 50 to 100 years. I mean, I think this minister's response underscores, the importance of understanding engineering specifications before, raising alarm. We've seen these sort of videos online about construction, standards, while he's also demonstrating the government responsiveness to the public concerns about infrastructure projects. I love this sort of response.